Yeah, hello guys. So this is a PS4 that is completely dead. No beep. It's not powering up at all. So let's open it up and see what's wrong with it. So open it up. Sorry about my voice. I have a little cold, so you guys should bear with me. So let me open it up. Let's first start by testing the power supply. Let me check for shorts on the board also. Let me check the 12 volt rail and the 5 volt rail. Let's see if there's short on the board. No short. 5 volts. Everything is good.
No bridge.
So let me test. Put it aside and test the power supply. Maybe the power supply. Maybe the problem is from the power supply. Put in the power cord. So let me put the multimeter on DC.
Multimeter on DC.
So our black probe on the left, the red probe on the right. Then let me find something to jump. So let me jump the two pin together, and it's going to trigger the power to supply the 12 volts. As you can see. I'm sorry you can't see it better, but it's supplying. The power supply is supplying. I'm seeing 12 volts on the multimeter. 12 volts. Let me do it again to be sure. Yes. 11.9, 12.1. So the power supply is working. The problem is not from the power supply at all. So let me pack it up and let's open the console to see what's exactly going on with the game. Open everything up. The hard disks. Let's loosen the screw. Oh, I've already taken up. I've already taken out some of the screw before I decide to turn on the camera and make a video recording of this. So I will only be losing these two clamps to make the video short. Oh. When the board is out, let's put this aside. Let's flip it over to the other side. So let me just mark the board not to cause any confusion. So let me put my multimeter back to continuity mode. Black probe on the ground. Red probe. Let me on the multimeter. Sorry about that. Let me on the microscope too. And put you. Let me set it so you can see what I'm doing on the board. Sorry about the blurry display. My microscope is kind of sorry about that. So I've seen this before. So I've seen a PS4 that is dead like this before. Back then, let me check the Okay, so let's check. No, everything is, that's the ground. Everything is good there. Let me check. Everything is good. Good. Back when I've worked on something like this, the problem is from this little IC. This IC that control the sensor, the power sensor is from the IC. Let me check. That's the ground. Is the ground. Let me check the other side. Voila. So there's bridge there. So I'm looking. I think I will be removing that IC. Let me check around more. Because I've done something like this. The problem is from back then. That one, the problem is from the IC. All this line are shorted to the ground. Same as this. That's short to the ground. Oh, all this line are short to the ground. Everything is beeping. So I'm guessing this same as the one I've worked on before. Everything here. So know what? Let me check another board to be sure. This is donor board. Let me check that around to see if I'm getting the same reading. Ground. No beep. So I think, you know what? Let me just remove the IC. Let's just see what will happen. Alright. Let's look for flux. And I remove the IC so I'll see what is going to happen. Yeah. Turn on my workstation. I think the heat is on 300 FU 50. Sometimes these things happen in the house. You don't want to get off the part. It's not that easy. Yeah. I think this movie. Okay. Yeah. It's off. Alright. I'll give it some cool down. Yes, let me put it aside.
Let's test and see.
It might not be the IC, but that's a good way to check.
The short is done.
Here's my multimeter around. See, too bad. It's still beeping. It's still short on the board. Those cap shouldn't be short to ground.
Coming from here.
Short to ground. Let me check the other side of the board.
Maybe it's the cap. Let me remove the cap and see. So just move away the cap Let's see if the cap is the problem. Oh, the problem is coming from the cap. Let me test the other cap. Maybe the second one. Let's see. So this one is this one is good. This one is good. This other one is done. This is our problem. So I'll be replacing that one. Let me get some from another donor. I'll also be replacing this. So the problem is not from this IC. So I'll be replacing this one as well. So let me just grab one from another donor board. Both caps are in place. Let's see if this. Let me clean it up. Put it down. Sorry for the shaking camera. I'm recording with my cell phone. So let me read them. No more shots. Yeah, or this one. Yeah, all good. I mean, this one has not stitched. I think both are not perfect. Test it out. No more breach. No breach. I think it's all good. So let me return this. So good. It looks down. Clean it up. Let's test and see if all the shot is gone. So let's check the ICs to see if they are. Let's check if the caps, if they are still shots. Oh, that's good. No shots. Our shot is gone. Put one of the group here. They are all gone. No more shots. So I think everything is fixed. I think it should power up now. Let me also check this side to be sure. Let's pack it up and give it a try. That's my multimeter going off. Putting back the power supply. I'm going to repack it fully, and after I'm done with the test, let me just test it out and see if that problem is just from that single capacitor. Moment of truth. Oh, it's on. Let's see if it's connected to the controller. Yeah, it's on. To the screen. So there's it. I shut it down. The problem is just from a single cap. Everything is working now. That's the culprit. That's the single tiny capacitor. Focus. That's just the problem. So let me pack it up and test it so we can call it a day. So we are all set up. Let's put in the power supply and the power cord and give it a try. Put in the HDMI cable. Voila, everything is up and running.
let's check if the controller is syncing. Well, that's good. So let me bring you guys to the screen. So all this is done is caused by just a single blown cap. Rating is all good now. Let it boot up. Oh, this even have a modded game on it. Let me quickly run it to be sure the game is running. And there you have it. Let it come back. Let's see if everything is running. Okay, so everything is good. It's all running well. The game is running perfect. Nothing. So I can call it a fix. Thanks for watching.